Hey YouTube, this is Charlie, and today we're gonna be putting on some quick release propeller guard for the DJI Phantom. I just picked those up on Amazon for $24.97. It's like I said, it's a quick release on there. It just comes out really quick. I've had a set before. That one when my drone crashed, it broke, and I've tried to fix it, but I haven't really put much effort into doing it. But I just went ahead and buy a second set. When I buy that set, I didn't read it properly. I saw the words carbon fiber on there, and I assumed that the entire set would be carbon fiber, but it's actually only the gimbal. The gimbal guard is the only thing that's carbon fiber on there. The rest of these are just, I guess, regular plastic. It almost sounds, but no, it sounds like it's almost the same kind of plastic. I was really hoping that these would just fit on there. I would have to take those out there. The quick release part on there, and just put those on, but these will not fit the same, so I have to remove those there. Come with all the tools you need for installation. Lots of screws on there, so that's good. So let's go ahead and do this. The first to remove those that I have on there right now. The first thing we have to do is to remove these right here. Go ahead and replace those as soon as we take out that one, because I don't like seeing the way the motor is shaking right now. See, wish there was a faster way. This is the first one. Make sure the motor is spinning and nothing is. And this is it. It's locked into place right there. Perfect. 3 more to go. Okay, so we are all done. Everything is screwed pretty good. We do have a gimbal guard right here. And this is that's actually made of carbon fiber, and not the guard itself. This is just like probably some kind of cheap plastic. Hopefully it doesn't break. And the gimbal guard goes somewhere like this. So we have the guard on there, or prop guard on there. And that's how easy it goes. Now the string, the wall guard, which is the string here that you can put in between here, so that if you go in the corner of a wall. But I never fly my drone indoors, so I really don't have to worry much about that. So we're gonna put our props on to make sure so everything looks good.